Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. In this video we learned animal names. Do you want to learn the animal names, toddlers? The first one is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a tiger. T is for tiger. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a lion. This is a lion king. This is a rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is a cow. A cow. This is a deer. This is a horse. A leopard. This is a hippopotamus. A hippo. This is a bear. This is a camel. Bye bye, toddlers.